I see you walk out the door, I will give you a hug and kiss and call you back for one more. If I knew that it would be the last time that I hear your voice lifted in praise, I will videotape each action and word so I could play them back to back each and every day. If I knew it would be the last time I could spare an extra minute or two to stop and say I love you instead of assuming you would know I do. If I knew it would be the last time that I would be there to share your day, well, I'm sure you'll have so many more. So I can just let this one slip away. For surely there's always tomorrow to make up for our oversight. And we always get a second chance to make everything right. Tomorrow is not promised to anyone, young or old alike. And today may be the last chance you get to hold your loved one tight. So if you're waiting for tomorrow, why not do it today? For if tomorrow never comes, you'll surely regret the day that you didn't take the extra time for a smell, a hug, or a kiss. And you were busy, and you were too busy to grant someone, but turned down for the last wish. So always hold them dear, take time. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, or it's okay. And if tomorrow never comes, you'll have no regrets about today. I love you, Red.